Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making an amazing DIY body butter. So here are some of the ingredients you're going to be needing: coconut oil, raw cocoa butter, shea butter, and I am using flaxseed oil in this recipe. Our essential oils will be tea tree oil, patchouli, lavender, frankincense, and essential oil of orange. So let's go ahead and get started. So we need to measure out our ingredients. So we're going to need a glass bowl, a wooden spatula, a measuring cup, and a scale. You're going to need to balance out your scale here, and we're using ounces in doing this. No biggie if you're not using ounces. I will make sure to put the full recipe in the description box below. So starting off with our scale at 0, I'm going to be adding 2 ounces of our shea butter. Shea butter is amazing for hydration. It just really gives your skin a really nice moisturized feel. It's from Africa. This is a raw shea butter. It's unrefined, which is why it has a kind of milky yellowish color. The refined shea butter is pure white, but I get the pure stuff at my local African shop. So that's what I'm using today. Then I'm going to zero my scale out and add 2 ounces of raw cocoa butter. This stuff is so awesome. It's super hard, so I kind of just cut it up in pieces in the container. That's why it's in chunks like that. But this is going to give our body butter a nice consistency, and it smells really good. So next up, we're doing 2 ounces of coconut oil, which is like my favorite oil in the world. I use it every single day. And this one here is actually a Shea Moisture's just container of coconut oil, but you can use just the stuff straight out of the kitchen section at your local grocery store too. It's very hydrating for the skin, and it's a very lightweight oil, which is nice, but it just really adds a nice consistency. So for essential oils, for tea tree oil, it's amazing because it's thought to calm redness, swelling, and inflammation in the skin. It can also prevent acne. For patchouli, it was known to be used in Asian medicine to treat skin and hair problems such as dermatitis, acne, chapped skin, dandruff, and an oily scalp. But it also is known for its wound and scar healing properties. So this is a perfect addition for our body butter. Up next, we have lavender, which is extremely nourishing to the skin due to its high antioxidant content. I'm also using frankincense, which is a powerful astringent and helps to reduce acne blemishes, the appearance of large pores, and prevent wrinkles. And then for orange oil, it's extremely anti-inflammatory, so it's amazing for the skin. I'm adding now 1/3 of a cup of oil. You can add jojoba, sweet almond. I'm using flaxseed because it's so skin loving. It's very hydrating to the skin, which is perfect for these cold winter months. So I definitely wanted to add this to our body butter. Now we just need to melt everything down. I'm using the double boiler method. You can microwave this on 30-second increments until it's nice and smooth and liquidy, but I just use the double boiler method because it's a little bit easier for me, and it's a little bit easier to control the heat as well, so you don't burn the cocoa butter. So this is the container I'm using. It's a Kilner's container. I purchased it while I was thrifting for like 97 cents, but I love that it had a nice seal and just looked really cute. So as you can see, our oils are a little bit too liquidy right now to whip up. So I'm just going to throw them in the freezer for about 20 minutes and see what it looks like. Here is some ASMR. So once you do this in the ice bath, if need be, it sets up very quickly, so I decided to whip it up. I really didn't see much of a change in the consistency. Maybe if you had a wax in there it would make a difference, but I didn't really see one, so it's not really necessary. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe for body butter. I hope you give it a try yourself. It is so lovely on the skin. I love the way it feels, gives your skin a beautiful, nice glow. And until our next video, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!